Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rhonda if you're new here. I wanted to do a little introductory to this video because it was Mother's Day and I invited the kids out for a cookout, and I thought while they were here that I would get them out and we would start garden cleanup. In the area that we are going to build the garden, it's super rocky. There's a bunch of debris like nails and glass. It was an area where they kind of just dumped a bunch of trash and they made like big piles. So we are in the process of cleaning up that area so that we can build the garden. So the kids came out, we were gonna make a video and they were being so silly. I think I made probably 10 takes to start the video and they were laughing and they were making me laugh, and I got more blooper content than I got garden content. So I just wanted to do a little introductory to say we're cleaning up the garden. It's Mother's Day. The kids are being silly, but we got a good chunk of it started. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching and let's get to it. So this is the area that is going to be the future garden. So we are going to go probably up to this barrel. So the kids came over to help with garden cleanup for Mother's Day. This area right in front is all rocky. So we're going to rake and we are going to pull weeds, pick rocks. Look at all the rocks. We're gonna rake them up, pick them all up, and then we will probably have to rototill this area and break everything up to start the planting process. Look at that. We got this little area cleaned out. And then Hales is running the magnet and getting out all of the nails and anything metal. Good job, babe. Wow, this looks great so far.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
This is why you guys want to make sure that when you buy a fixer-upper property that you go through it, because look at how thick that glass is. And this is just a little bit. I already did 2 handfuls already.
It's a frog.
Don't crush him under there.
It was a toad. And my daughter just flipped out.
It was coming at me. And
What?
it did not look nice.
It was a little toad.
He's under there. He's under there. Don't crush him.
I'll pick him up.
See, there he is. Hopping around, just a tiny little
Throw him
thing.
in the pond.
Tiny little thing, and my daughter flips out. wish I could show you guys like how nice and healthy I think that the dirt is. We tilled it because this is our first time putting in a garden here, and in this area was like a dumping zone for garbage. And if you saw Scott pulling out all that string, they had horses on this property a long time ago, and he just threw the old bales of hay in here, garbage, broken glass, aluminum cans, like so much trash that we thought it would be best to till it, see what, if anything, was brought up to the surface through the tilling process. And I think that we will probably till it a couple of more times. We haven't reached our first frost date yet, so I think that we will probably till it 2 or 3 more times before we will bring in some topsoil and compost to put on top of here before we lay out the floor plan for the vegetables and the herbs. This is going to be the reward for all his hard work. Here you go, baby.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thanks.
Well, you guys, thanks for hanging out with us today, Mother's Day weekend, and following along with the kids and us as we cleaned up this area for the new garden. I just wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. And I want to do a shout out to my girlfriend Nicole from Nicole Smith Gardening. She has cocktails in her garden when she is out planting and enjoying her time in the garden. So I wanted to say hey to her, go follow her page, and we'll see you next time. Bye, friends.